Good morning friends. Now we are discussing about the how to create a stack by using the linked list. Right? We know that the stack is a linear data structure and stack follows the LIFO procedure. That means the last element which is entered into the stack is the first element which is deleted from the stack. And here I show the image of the stack. The stack is like that. To keep track of the elements within the stack, we use the one pointer variable generally called top or stack pointer. And we can perform only the two operations over the stack. One is the push operation and another one is the pop operation. Let us consider an example. I would like to push the element A into the stack. First, we are going to increase the top pointer by 1 and I am going to be assigned stack of top is assigned to A. Now, after pushing the element A into the stack is like that. In the same way, I would like to push one more element, that is B. Then once again I am increase the value of the stack pointer by 1 and stack of top equal to B. Now after pushing the element B into the stack is like that. Similarly, I push the value C into the stack. Again I increase the value of the stack pointer and at the top I keep the value C. After pushing the C element, the stack is like that. And the second operation, when we performing the pop, generally the pop means remove the element from the stack. So first we remove the element from the top position of the stack. After that we decrease the top value by 1. Here I write a sample code. Element is assigned to stack of top. That means the element which is the value which is on the top of the stack is come into the or stored into the element, and the top pointer value is decreased by 1 and I print the element. After pop the element from the stack, that stack is like that. I am using the same logic. We create the stack by using the linked list. To create the stack by using the linked list, here I represent the structure of the node. So node structure is structure node, int data, structure node type link. Here a small change. Let us consider I am going to be push ABC. Please change the value character data. Sorry. And I represent the node as a user defined data type by using type definition structure node. And I am representing the stack pointer is also a node type node star top, and I am initially keep top equal to null because the stack is empty, nothing within the stack. Please observe the structure of the node is like that. I change the data type as character because I keep ABC values onto the stack. My dear friends, now I am creation of a stack node or simply the node within the linked list which to be add as a one of the location within the stack. To create the stack node, I am writing the function create node. It return the value node. So here I am considering one of the variable temp. Temp is a temporary variable which is of the node type, and I store the character type value in the data part of the node. Hence I am creating character variable of a character type. Then temp equal to malloc size of the node. Now by using this function, the memory is allocated for temp. So the memory is allocated here, right? And then I am using printf enter the value. That means the data part of the node scanf %d. Here also I am right. Unfortunately, the %d but I am going to be corrected as a percentage C because we are using the character data. Percentage C ampersand temp data. Suppose I am going to be enter a value. The value is A is entered in the data part of the temp, and the temp node is created in the 100 memory location, and the temp link part is null. So for that reason, temp link part equal to null and return temp. Temp is node type, hence here I am going to write the return data type as the return data type as the node. So hence a node is created to for a creation of the stack using the linked list. Now we know that we can perform only two operations on stack. One is the push operation and another one is the pop operation. Now for the push operation onto the stack by using the linked list, I write the code. Here I am declared void push. Node type top is also a node type and a new node. Now I am creating the new node. New node equal to create underscore node. So I am already write the create underscore node function. Here also I forget to keep the brackets. Right? The node create underscore node function. Right? So create top, if the top equal to null, initially the top value equal to null, I keep the top value equal to null. New node dot link. So the new node is created. Here I show that the first node, this is the new node. In create node function, I enter the value A and the new node link part equal to null, and initially actually the top value is also be null. Suppose the top value initially is null, new node link equal to top. That means top value, null value is transferred to the new node's link part. Right? That is nothing to be a problem. And top equal to ampersand new node. We know that address of the new node is 100. The 100 is transferred to the here the top. Right? So the first node is created. Suppose we would like to create another node. Right? So I am again using the push operation. Again the new node equal to the create node. The new node is created. Top equal to null. So it is false because in top there is a 100. The first node is created. Initially there is a 100 value. So it is not the null, and hence we come to the else part. New node link equal to top. What the top value? 100. Now this is the new node. This is the new node. The new node data part has the value B, and new node link equal to top. Top has 100, that is transferred to the new node link part. Now the link is established like that. The link is established like that with the previously created node or previously pushed data item onto the stack. Right? And then top equal to ampersand new node. The new node address is, we know that here the new node address is 200. The 200 is transferred to the top. Right? This is the else part. Again we are going to be create the one more node. Again we call the push function. When we call the push function, the new node equal to create node. The next node is created. Now this is the new node whose address is 300, whose data value is C. Right? And then top not equal to null. That means this is not the first node. Hence we come to the else part. New node link. So the node which is created in the address part 300. Now this is the new node. New node link equal to top. We know that now the top has the 200. The 200 is transferred to this part. That means the new node is linked to the previously created node, and then top equal to new ampersand new node. So the new node address is 300. The top has like that. That means the top value is increased from moved from bottom to the top, like in a linear data structure. So this is the algorithm for the push operation. Now I would like to perform the pop operation on the stack. To perform the pop operation, I write the code how to remove the top element from the stack. Let us consider the name of the function is pop, and again I am considering the two nodes, the two variables, temp and top representing the top of the element onto the stack. Temp is a temporary variable, right? The pop means we know that the removing the top element from the top of the stack. If top equal to null, so what it mean? Top equal to null means no elements within the stack, then the stack is empty. But here we are already creating a stack with three elements, A, B and C. The C is the top element and the top pointing the element C. So hence we enter into the else part. So this is the else part. Now temp equal to top, the top value, which is the top value, that is enter into the temp. The top pointing the topmost element C. The C element is stored in the node whose address is 300, and printf temp data %C, the C is printed. Here we observe that the top element is C and the node value is, where C is, the node value is 300. So temp equal to top, so temp pointing the 300, printf temp data, so C is printed, and then we move top equal to temp link. That means temp link has the 200, the 200 is moved to the top. That means the link here, the link is disconnected between the top node and the below node. Now the top pointing the 200. So here we write the top equal to temp link and temp link equal to null. So we remove the memory also, which is allocated for the top node. Hence we are using the function free. It is represented as here actually, right? So after discarding this link, we completely remove the remove the node from the memory. Suppose we again, now the top pointing the top element is B, the 200, and suppose we again remove the one more element. Again we call the pop function top not equal to null, because the top pointing the address 200. Hence temp equal to top. Now this node is turned as the temp, and top equal to temp link. Now the top come to here, temp equal top link, top equal temp link, that is 100, and then we keep the null here because we discarding this link. We keep null here, and after that one we are free the temp. This is the entire code for the pop the element of the linked stack.